Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY H5 wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with these earphones not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you want to basically delete all the pairing history, delete all the settings, so that you can set these earphones up like they're brand new coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. We want to make sure they have a decent charge on them and that they're turned on. Once they're turned on with a decent charge, we're just going to come and press the plus and minus simultaneously, or the volume up, volume down, simultaneously, keeping an eye on the red indicator light on the earphones. So it'll take about 10 seconds, and when that indicator light flashes red, that means it's reset. They'll go ahead and turn off automatically. You can release the buttons, and then you can turn them back on, and you're basically turning them on like a new set of earbuds to set up anew.